Welcome. Marsh Shipping Supply Company would like to introduce our new environmentally friendly ink system we refer to as EFI. It's a water-based ink. It is a ink that will adhere to most surfaces very well. We have two systems. That one you're familiar with is the roller and pad system, and then we have our new introduction of the fountain roller with the 4-ounce bottle, squeeze bottle. Both of these systems will allow your customers to apply marks that will dry fairly quickly, as well as adhere to most surfaces. The first system I'd like to discuss is the ROLMARK roller, full roller, as well as the RM50 pad that most people are comfortable with and using. There are some prerequisites to get started on this. One is it's important for the ink to absorb into the roll, so the best way to do that is pre-wet the roll by just running under water. You don't have to fully soak it, saturate it. You just want to make sure that you squeeze the excess water out and you're ready to go. Likewise, the foam pad, and the same thing. You want to moisten it. You don't want it soaked. You want it to be pre-moistened, but you don't want it soaked with water. Any excess water you can squeeze out by just pressing the water out of the pad. Once the excess water is out, then you want to take the bottle of ink. For this system, it's going to be available in quartz. It is going to be available in black and white, as well as additional colors in the future. It's important when you set the system up that you shake the ink properly for it to be able to perform the way it's designed. Once you have it shaken thoroughly, then you just pour some onto the pad. Take your pre-moistened roller, roll it back and forth so you properly ink up the roller. If you need more ink, you want to make sure that you have enough ink on the pad. Once it's properly inked, then you're ready for stenciling. You take your stencil, pre-cut stencil, put it on the surface to be marked, whether it's metal, glass, plastic, wood, what have you, and just roll it gently back and forth, making sure that you have nice, clear marks. You don't want to press too hard and cause it to bleed, which would give you a poor quality mark. Once you have enough ink on the material that you want to mark, then you have a already stencil. The second system we'd like to show you today is the fountain roller type system, which this is the head assembly for the fountain roller. This is the roller that would attach to the head assembly, and this system uses a 4-ounce bottle of ink, squeeze bottle, that becomes the handle, which I'll show you in a minute or so. It is important that the roll be pre-moistened prior to setting up the system and applying ink to the ink roll to make sure that the ink can absorb properly into the foam roll. So a moistened roll, not soaked,